This is fourth problem of 7.2. That is 1, 2, 4y, x6, 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Find xy. So two unknowns are given, xy. You have to find out vertices. 4 vertices are given, but in 4 vertices, one point is having x and one point is having y. Those two you have to unknowns you have to find out. So 4 vertices of a parallelogram are given. In order. So don't take A here, B here, C here, D here. Take in order. C, D. The points are given in order. I will tell you an easiest method: finding AB, finding CD, finding AD, finding BC, and making 3-4 equations and finding the values of x and y. Don't go that method. Very easy method I am teaching. You follow that. This is 1, 2. This is 4y. This is x6. This is 3, 5. You know that the diagonals of a parallelogram, they bisect each other. Bisect means this is the midpoint of this and this is midpoint of this, but their coordinates should be equal. So using that method we are doing. That's very easy and you can find out easily. Okay, so you take O x y, you will find out O x y with respect to AC. So midpoint of AC you are finding, that is O, and midpoint of BD will find out. Both you will equate, then you will get x and y. That is the easiest method. So what is the formula? OXY is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, OXY is, that is x1, this take a x1, y1, 1 plus x by 2. You will get confused if I write x1, x2. 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2. So xy are 1 plus x by 2, 8 by 2. That is 1 plus x by 2 and 4. These are the coordinates of OXY with respect to AC. With respect to BC we will find out. With respect to BD, OXY we will find out. That is, here it is, what is the value? 4y. 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. 4 plus, this no, 4 plus 3 by 2 and this is y plus 5 by 2. Now if the midpoint is having the coordinates, this side or that side, they should be equal. Now you will compare. 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 2 you will cancel. 1 plus 1 plus x by 2. 1 plus x is equal to 7. Therefore x is equal to 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, and compare these two. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. That is, therefore y plus 5 is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. So is it not very easy? If you find out these two, comparing these two, x, y, you will get so many equations and all. Instead of that, with respect to AC, you find out OX and OY. With respect to BD, you find out OX and OY. Then you compare them, you will get X and Y. This is very easy, and easiest method is this. Instead of doing AB, DC, comparing AD, CD, you will get so many equations. So this is the easiest method. You find out midpoint with respect to AC, and then BC, BD, and compare. Here this unknown and this is known. So 1 plus x by 2 is 7 by 2. 1 plus x is 7, x is equal 6. And you can compare these two. Y plus 5 by 2 is 4. Y plus 5 is 8 by cross multiplication. Y is equal to 3. So x and y values you got 6 and 3. So is it clear?